So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. It's all been ply lined, and we have these shelving racks in place here as well. A full metal bulkhead and the sliding side door access just there as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles, which are only 24,022, so incredibly low mileage for the van's age. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. And then below that, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a second ago are just here. We have phone and stereo controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter over here as well. And then in the center is where you'll find the stereo. So we have the buttons for the stereo just here and the screen just above that. You'll see that this van has got FM and AM radio and DAB as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that via the CD player or the auxiliary input as well. I say all of which is controlled just here. If you press the phone button, you'll be able to pair your phone up to the van, as you can see on the screen just there, with a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these controls for the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, direction of the air, turn the air conditioning on and off again. We can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.